My lovely studio audience. Today I would like to talk to you about why not to take your vehicle into big corporate repair shops. Have you ever had your vehicle worked on in a large corporate repair shop or a local chain repair shop? Well, I have. In this speech that follows, I will easily explain some very strong points as to think hard about where you take your vehicle for your regular maintenance and repairs. The first thing I would like to speak to you about today is price gouging. Price gouging occurs when you take your vehicle in for repairs, and when you finally get it back, you have a bill totaling hundreds into the thousands of dollars. Now, the reason for this is big corporate shops or even local repair shops, everybody's trying to make a buck. So everybody starts price gouging because they don't have a big enough profit margin, so they're trying to make up for what they're not making in all their regular business. So with that being said, you have to just really watch out who you take it to, because they may not have shady work, they may have good work, but on the other hand, you still might get gouged for the price. So is it really worth paying the extra dollar to have the same work done somewhere else? Okay, my next topic I would like to speak with you about is whether you like to utilize cheaper, more efficient aftermarket parts or OEM original equipment replacement parts. Now, with that being said, there's a lot of parts in the world. There's not a whole lot of difference between them. A lot of the times you can get the same performance out of the same two parts with just a different name brand, but the price is going to be a lot different. You could go out and you could buy a pair of brakes for the front of your car. It's going to cost you $100, or you can go to your local store, buy the same ones, if not better quality of ones, for maybe $20 to $40 for the same exact set. So you save over $60 on that. On the screen, I have a different list of all the big name brands out there. You have Champion, K&N, Haynes Books, you have Bosch, Beck Arnley, you have Fram, A1 Cardone. Then there's a lot of other parts. There's CarParts.com. They have a lot of your aftermarket parts. They still fit your car the same. They still work the same. Some of them are better, some of them are not. You just have to do your research. On the screen listed is a price for a K&N cold air intake kit for 2000 Lincoln Navigator. The list price lists for $521.99. That's before shipping and handling and tax. Your price, without paying all that, what you're selling it for, is $287.99. You can see on the screen that it's supposed to supposedly increase your horsepower by 15% at almost 5,000 RPMs. The other one I have right here, this is known as Spectre. They sell Spectre at O'Reilly's. You can order it from them. You can order it online. Spectre is a decent, reputable company. All these companies, they have recharge kits for their air filters, so you can still clean and recharge the same filter just like you would a K&N. Now, if you look at the price difference, the price on the one before was almost $300. Now, this one right here with free shipping is only $152.99, so that's half the price of the other one. Is a lot cheaper, but still the choice is yours. K&N is good product. Spectre is not too bad either. The next thing I would like to talk to you about is price markup. Many different shops utilize price markup to make up for their profit margins if they don't do price gouging. The normal price markup is in between 30 to 35%. But a lot of shops, on the other hand, will charge 50 to 55% increase in the price markup of the original part. So let's say that you get a part that is only $1. Okay, they're going to charge you $2. Say it costs $50, they're going to charge you $100. If you go out and buy the part yourself, and install it on your car, and the part only costs $50, then your total cost in the end was only $50. If you take it into the shop, you have to think about labor and price markup. That's all I have as far as that goes. The other thing I would like to bring up today is shop labor. Some of the bigger shops, they can charge in excess of $80 to $120 per hour, while small repair shops only charge a minimum of $70 to $90 an hour. Now, you're going to be getting the same quality work. You may not have the same equipment at both different places, but in the end, it's probably going to be about the same amount of time, just less money on what you're charged. Also, bigger repair shops are known to get online to all the repair manuals, and they'll charge you the full out labor cost. If the book says charge you 12 hours and the guy gets it done in 7 hours, you still get charged 12 hours. In the smaller shops, a lot of them won't do that. I've personally worked at several of them, and if it only took 5 hours to do it, they're only going to charge you 5 or 6 hours to do the same exact job. Um, on the screen listed here are all of my works cited sites where I got all my information. And in conclusion, I would like to recap with you about thinking about taking your car to bigger repair shops or little repair shops. It depends on where they're located in town. The next thing is whether you want to go with an aftermarket part or go with the expensive name brand part, get the almost the same quality, different price. The third thing I wanted to recap was price markup, and price markup is how much it costs. The actual part of the is going to cost compared to how much they charge you. And the last thing is about the different labor rates, reminding you that small shops charge less, but they still provide the same quality of service. Thank you.